Well, let's see if I can freak it. There we go. I'm working on this thing. I didn't want to start over. I'm lazy. So I used this sandpaper. It's 80 grit. And I sanded the snot out of it. I mean, really sanded it. And then I took some of this Mod Podge. It's a glue, like Elmer's glue. And I'm trying, and I mixed it in with my acrylic paint. And I am seeing how it's going to work and how it's going to glue into what I'm working on without having to start over. So, well, huh? But I'm just going to try it out. Hey, if it don't work, it don't work. And then I'm going to put a clear finish of glue over the top of it. And that should hold it. It should penetrate down through the layers of it, whatever the hell it is. But I'm mixing my paint with glue. I'll fix it. You watch me. Got nothing else to do. I've been painting. Hey, I'm doing something besides complaining about everything else around me. See, I got a whole bunch of glue stuff in the bottom of that. There's that other that gesso that I was hunting for earlier. It's over there in that box. Here's a bunch of it down in paint. I bought a bunch of that. I got a bunch of that paint. I decided next time I ain't never going to do oil, period. I'm going to try something else, something different. I'm going to try painting with glue. Glue and paint, and acrylic paint. It's both watercolor. Yes, I did screw up. I knew better when I was doing it, but I thought, oh, hell, I ain't doing nothing else anyway. I get a lot of complaints. You want to see? Now, some of it I left like this here. See this blue here? This is the old painting underneath there. I left it. I was cutting corners, what the hell, saving money. Thought, well, hell, I had this big old picture I didn't like. I didn't, you paint something you don't like, paint over it. Well, I should have grabbed oil again, but I didn't. I grabbed acrylic. And I'm going to have to live with it. Either that or completely sand it off, soak it off, or something. But I decided I'd just glue it. Mix my paint with acrylic glue. Yeah, that's what I think I'll do. And if I don't like that, I'll try something else. Hey, I might be coming on with a fad. Mixing your acrylic paint with glue. A lot of times your house has humidity and this, that, and the other. And I've got sealers where I can show you. Let me see. Where's it? See, I've got a bunch of sealers. You're supposed to seal it with and all that crap. But I basically just thought, well, hey, I wonder how many of them I got around here that I did the same way to. It's fall off later. But your house has humidity in it. Let me get back to the subject. And acrylic paint has a tendency, if you got something under it like an oil or whatever, that it's not compatible with it, it'll do this peeling stuff or chipping or letting go of the undercoat. But don't be upset. I mean, hell, it's just a damn painting. It ain't like it's a Van Gogh. Ain't that damn popular. But anyway, that's what I'm doing. I am mixing it with a glue, and I'm doing that. That's what I'm doing. I'm mixing it with glue. And then I'm going to seat, when I get through, I'll seat it all over with another glue. And let it dry like Elmer's. That shit's supposed to wear like iron. That's what I'm doing. And I know what made it turn loose. Besides, it was not compatible acrylic with water paint with oil paint. It's the humidity. That's why I'm going to move up north. Damn high-ass humidity. And canvas is a rag, so it's going to draw, you know. Oh, be sure to seal the back of your paintings, too. If you don't, then some bitches will mold. So I'm going to make sure I seal the back of my damn painting, too. With this Mod Podge glue. So they won't mold. So I'm doing, messing around. Just messing this morning. Anybody got any better ideas? I could be watching the news and bitching and complaining. I'll tell you something else. If you look real close, in here, in these light spots, I left the background of the old painting in there. You can tell it when you look from the back side of it. In fact, I could tell you. Nah, hell, I ain't gonna turn something around. Too damn short. I gotta go. The dogs are hollering. They're complaining again. I know you guys are getting tired of looking at my painting. See my dogs. He can't move without him bitching. But I've been sanding on it. Where's my 80 grit sandpaper? I sand it down. Then I take my rag with alcohol on it. My 91%. And I wash it all down. And now I'm in the process of restoring it. That's what they call it. Restoring it. I'll figure it out. But remember, they've always got a burn barrel. But these canvases, you go to Hobby Lobby, they cost you pretty damn penny, about 20 to 25 bucks for one of these damn things. So when I get tired of a painting like some of them over there, I'll just paint over them. You painted that? Yep. That's a watercolor. That one right there is pure watercolor. That's acrylic, and that's oil. And this is a combination of everything. I will let you guys go. Talk to you later. And have a great day. I got to take my medicine, and the mechanic's coming at 9 o'clock. It was about 5:30 or 4:30 when I started messing with this. And now it is 15 minutes or 10 minutes to 6. So I'm going to get back to my project before that guy gets here to work on my truck, on my ambulance. Leave a comment. If you ain't got something good to say, don't say nothing at all. I'm in no mood. Take care. Have a great day.